Tutorial Options Menu. This tutorial will show you how to customize Packet Tracer using the Options menu. Under the Interface tab, certain user interface items can be turned on and off. These include animation, sound, device model labels, device name labels, port labels, auto cabling, using the metric system, link lights, telephony sound, QoS stamps, port labels on mouseover, cable length effects, changing the default tab for device dialogues to CLI, and show cable information in physical mode. The logging feature can be used to view and export all entered iOS commands as a text file. The default display language used in Packet Tracer is English. This can be changed to any available language that is listed here. Translation in Packet Tracer is a user-supported function. Click on the Administrative tab. The Administrative tab provides additional options for managing Packet Tracer. A password can be set to prevent unauthorized access to the administrative features. Interface Preference tabs can be locked by checking the boxes in the Interface Locking area to prevent user access. The pt.conf file contains the settings and configurations for preferences and algorithm settings. This file is saved automatically, but only in the Users folder. For the change to affect all users, it needs to be written to the Packet Tracer installed folder using the right button. The user folder is the default folder that Packet Tracer uses for saving and accessing files and images. The location of this folder can be changed from this window. Click on the Hide tab. Under the Hide tab, users can choose to hide various interface tabs in the device configuration dialogs. The last 4 selections hide Cisco equipment that is end of life, show or hide the wireless areas visually, and show all tabs in IoT devices. Click on the Font tab. The overall relative font size can be changed in Packet Tracer to account for high-resolution screens. The font type and size for different aspects of the Packet Tracer interface can also be changed in the Font tab. The colors for the iOS and PC console windows can be adjusted here. Once the changes have been made, click Apply for the new settings to take effect. Clicking Reset will change all fields to the default settings. Click on the Miscellaneous tab. In simulation mode, there are only a certain number of events that the buffer can hold before it needs to be reset. In this area, you can select the preferred action that Packet Tracer will perform when the buffer is full. The Device Dialog taskbar is the transparent bar at the bottom of the workspace. Its purpose is to make device dialogues that are currently open more accessible. This feature can be shown or hidden by toggling the checkbox here. The Enable External Network Access from Device Scripts allows internal programs to communicate with other programs outside of Packet Tracer. Proxy settings allows Packet Tracer to operate properly within networks that support proxy servers. Click on the Custom Interfaces tab. This tab is used to control which scripts should be added by default for the associated device. These scripts can add additional features to the device. Click on the Publishers tab. The list of publishers for XApps, script modules, and Packet Tracer files will be displayed here. They can also be added and removed manually in this tab. By default, only the Networking Academy shows in this list. Click the Image Cleanup tab. This tab provides a way to eliminate graphic files if they are no longer needed in the data file. It reduces the overall size of the data file. Click X to close the Preferences window. User profile settings can be updated through the Options menu. Details regarding the user can be entered in this window. All information entered in the User Profile window will be saved and retained along with the network. Click the X to close the User Profile window. Algorithm settings can also be accessed from this menu. The Algorithm Settings configuration page allows the user to make configurations that are otherwise not available in iOS. It allows for the tweaking of the algorithm settings to make visualization of certain algorithm protocol behaviors more easily viewable. Click OK to close the Algorithm Setting window. The Command Log window can be also launched from here. It shows all commands entered on any iOS device in Packet Tracer if it is turned on in the Preferences as explained in the previous section. Click the X to close the window. This ends the Packet Tracer Options tutorial.